welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a very simple recipe for orange flavored buttercream. This is American buttercream flavored like oranges, so let's get started.
First of all, our ingredients. We need half a cup or 125 grams of butter, 4 cups or 500 grams of powdered sugar, half a tablespoon orange zest, 2 to 3 tablespoons orange juice, orange food coloring, which is optional. First, cream the butter. Beat in the orange zest. Beat in about half of the powdered sugar. Add orange juice a tablespoon at a time to achieve buttercream consistency. Add the rest of the powdered sugar and orange food coloring if desired. Add orange juice slowly to maintain consistency. I found the color a bit too cool for orange, so I added some yellow as well. Scrape the bowl with a spatula. This buttercream is beautiful and bright. It is sweet with a subtle citrus note. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.